Muffin, I think you're confused. That's not bath water. That's Brussels sprouts. We don't do bath in Brussels sprouts. Muffin. Yeah, here's the bath water. Here's the bird. Muffin. Muffin. What are you doing? Muffin. Look. Take a bath in the bath water. Yeah, go on. Nope. Nope. Just bathing in Brussels sprouts and corn. Okay.